Welcome to PCRI, Packaging Clinic and Research Institute. We have completed 10 years the service to the nation dedicatedly. We are happy to announce our super popular program 1 year packaging course, that is postgraduate diploma in packaging. We are announcing that it is going to commence from August 16. You can join as per the eligibility. This is our 7th batch. The course curriculum has been designed to achieve the knowledge through theory, practicals, case studies, projects, factory visits, all these. This is online and distance learning program. In that you will have to visit the campus for the practicals and visit the factory to see that working knowledge. You will have to prepare 3 projects in 1 year and case study every weekend you will have to complete. You will have to appear in the quiz examination. This course is unique in India. No other institute is organizing 1 year postgraduate diploma in packaging. My appeal to the working professionals, they have not gone through the basic subject on paper, plastics, metal, glass, jute, wood. So please join this. We are going to give the e-book of 60,000 rupees or 70,000 rupees. We will be giving to you national standards, international standards. So you will be well equipped in the industry to have job, to start any organization. Entrepreneurship concept will be there. So it is the win-win situation, that it is a service to the nation. Do you know what is so important? India needs, as per the Exim Bank report, that is 31,500 packaging professionals, where we are only supplying to the 600 packaging professionals throughout. So great opportunity we have. So this is an international program. We are getting the candidate from overseas also. So if you are interested, applications are available, syllabus it is available, and on that basis we'll be happy to accept you on the basis of the eligibility criteria. For job placement, we are not giving you the guarantee, but we are giving you 100% assurance for the job. We will create interview, but we will not give you job. You will have to prove yourself. So all these features are available. Please join. There will be fee of 60,000 rupees. You will have to make the payment in the 2 installments. For overseas or international students, you will have to pay $1,500 in 2 installments. One at the time of admission, along with the 2,000 rupees as the admission fee, and 60,000 will be for the course fee, plus the GST applicable at the last. So you should not wait. Just you update your knowledge, serve the nation, and be happy to be called as a packaging professional. The packaging is for everyone. Please join PCRI, become that ambassador of PCRI. Thank you very much.